Hello, my name is Saeed Elias. I'm an EMBA candidate at FAU College of Business. I'm presenting today a, an application development which called Taxsnap app, and its launch is a project that we undertook recently. So I'm presenting to the class how the project going on. In this report, I will illustrate four sections, that is brief description of the project activities and resources, and project planning, and the result. Let me brief description of the background of the project. That is, Taxsnap app is a simple user-friendly platform with the feature tax preparation software. Taxpayers can quickly and accurately prepare, review, and file their taxes by photographing their tax paperwork. Three teams will simultaneously create app for efficiency. Team 1 will oversee project development, timeline, product release. Product managers, lead team, oversee project progress. Team 2 will explore best development, marketing, promotion strategy. Marketing and finance, promotions, finance, budgeting, and research and analysis will comprise the team. They will acquire the analyzed data to determine the target audience, evaluate competition, build market. Team 3 will develop, launch Taxsnap application, and they will design development team, testing and debugging the team, tax professional team, chatbot developer, app developer comprised team. Design and development team will create the user interface, which will be testing debugging team will ensure the app works properly. The tax professional team will help users prepare taxes, while the chatbot developer will be build a chatbot to real-time support. App developers integrate all app functionality. A diverse team professional will needed to create a comprehensive and user-friendly tax preparation application. These three teams, each team will perform their own task, will keep the development process on track. The abbreviation for these three teams will be T1, T2, and T3. This slide, we're going to talk about an earlier slide that we depicted a table one, which the resources are the team one, team two, and team three. Team one will oversee project development timeline and product release. Product managers lead team and oversee project progress. Team two will explore best development and marketing and strategies. To recap, team three will develop a launch Taxsnap design and development team. To carefully allotted assignment to period, time, and guarantee seamless app development process. Task duration varies on difficulties. Considered each activity required expected outcome and determine realistic timeframes. Assign resources to each assignment and the team to maximize resource use. Consider each resource's knowledge, abilities, and accessibility to match them to their task. This slide will deep dive into project activities and resources, which will be project activities, duration, and resources. This section will uh, give us the actions, timeline, antecedents, and resources. This section shows allotted assignments of period and teams to guarantee a seamless app development process. Each work relies on its predecessors. To avoid delaying the project, each team must work hard to finish on time. Task duration varies in difficulty. Each activity is required and expected to outcome to determine realistic timeframes that can be followed to launch on time. Assign resources each assignment team to maximize resources use. Each resource's knowledge, abilities, and accessibilities to match them to their task. Project task, timeline, forerunners, resources, emphasize the importance of sticking to schedule and working well with the three teams to build and deliver the Taxsnap app. This slide is about section 3, which is project planning, which is based on figure 1. Figure 1 is project duration was 180 days, critical path highlighted in red. A resource uh, figure 2 will be resource uses, hours allocated for each and every activity. 180 is constrained, so leveling within the slack. Still, team 1, team 2, team 3 was over allocated. Figure 3 will show a section of scheduled sequence project. This slide is actually figure 1, which is Gantt chart, which illustrates the anticipated schedule of the project, which has a target completion time of 180 days. Critical path also highlighted in red. This slide, we're going to talk about resource allocation on hours. There will also be calculation based on 40 hours work week and the starts of Monday and on Friday, as well as the number of the hours each team has worked on its task. Figure 2 has been made to give a clear picture on how the project's resources are divided and how many hours each team has to do certain jobs. The overall allocation were present in the team 1, team 2, team 3. We can assume 180 days project time was fixed and fix the over allocation problem by leveling within the slack. Team 1, team 2, team 3 were still over allocated when they leveled within the slack. On this slide, we are going to talk about the network diagram. This figure depicts the schedule sequence of the project, which is called network diagram. Schedule sequence of the projects, which is very much needed for a direction of the project. We came all the way to the results, which is the end of the result, end of the project, duration time 180 days. It started in July 5th, 2023. Finish date is March 19, 2024. And thus we take into consideration our December 25th, 26th, and Thanksgiving Day 1st, Thursday, Labor Day holiday weekend. Team 1 will perform 400 hours, Team 2 will for 40 hours, Team 3 will be 1240 hours. The project's timeline accounts for national holidays, thus all the holidays was taken into consideration in the calendar. I would like to conclude by saying the hazards associated with doing time and resource constrained project are depicted throughout the report and project. The report also emphasizes how much time and resources each team will need to complete specific tasks. Even though overallocation issue by leveling within the slack was fixed, because the team 1, team 2, and team 3 were overallocated, but the team 1 and team 3 were still overallocated despite this correction was done.